Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tab for the pre-attached adapter. Press the tab down with your thumb while pushing the pre-attached adapter back toward the release tab. The adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC. Lower adapter BC into the cavity in the top of the blade. Slide adapter BC in the opposite direction of the release tab until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Hold your thumb firmly on the front of the blade adapter, raising the back end up. Align the wiper arm tabs with the tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks into the front of the adapter. The adapter must lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.